I'm going to show you how to adjust your shower temperature setting. And this is a Delta brand, and you can apply the same process to any other brand. First thing you want to do is turn off the main water valve to your whole house. If you don't, while you work on it, the water pressure might actually come out of you. Next you want to do is empty all the water once your water main valve is turned off. So let all that pressure, that build-up pressure of the water come out. Okay. Next you want to take an Allen wrench, loosen up your set screw on the handle, and then that should come right off. Next, you're going to loosen up this Phillips screw here. You take a crescent wrench, hold one here, hold the crescent wrench on the bolt and loosen up. It comes right off. Another thing, guys, make sure you have your drainage cover with something at the bottom, because if your screw falls down, it can actually go down the drain, right? So next we're going to do is take the seal off. Next you want to do is take this blue cap out, and you can see here it says hotter, colder. So you put this piece back in, so when you take it out and you just kind of rotate where you want. There you go. If you rotate counterclockwise, which I got all the way, it can't go any further because of that black piece in there. That means it's the hottest it can get, okay? Again, you cannot move. So you cannot move that black piece, okay? Only this blue piece you can rotate. So once you do that, you push this blue piece back in, and then you put everything back on. Put your seal back on first. Your piece here, there it goes. Your screw. You put your handle back on, and put your set screw in and tighten it back up for your Delta shower handle.